back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is with a healthcare company. I know a lot of my viewers and subscribers have found me through my other healthcare videos. I do work in the healthcare field, so healthcare is my specialty. But of course, if you're not looking for a healthcare remote work from home job, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you are looking for, because I do read those and try to keep a lookout. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Prime Therapeutics. They have 835 reviews on Glassdoor with a rating from current and past employees of a 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote billing specialist. This is for the United States only. It says a billing specialist will be responsible for timely and accurate client record maintenance. You'll support the client billing and remittance research and resolve any questions, complaints, and grievances to ensure information in all databases is accurate and properly configured to support operations for the revenue cycle. So you'll ensure billing systems is updated in a timely, appropriate, and accurately fashion. You'll do the client remittance and proper revenue recognition. You'll ensure timely delivery of billing cycle invoices to the clients. You'll also prepare fee-for-service spreadsheets for billing and include the individual billing to all the customers. You'll have to research and respond in a professional and timely manner to inquiries both from clients or internal staff. You'll research the information regarding these complex inquiries, develop solutions, and then communicate them by telephone or in writing. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 year of experience in some kind of accounts receivable, billing, reconciliation, or collections, and somebody who can use Microsoft Office, including Excel and all of those programs. Now, it says Solomon experience is a plus, but that is not required. Now, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay ranges anywhere from $15.29 on the low end, all the way up to $22.93 an hour on the high end. All right, as stated before, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.